Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to insert a background image in PowerPoint. First, right-click on the background and then click on Format Background. Here, go to Picture or Texture Fill, and you can insert a picture from your files, a clipboard, or online. Let's insert a picture from our files. I will select this one, for example. Then click on Insert. We can add new slides. I'll add blank ones. And here go back, and here you can choose to apply these changes to all of your slides. Or you can insert a picture online. Click on online, and here search for a background image. Let's select one from here. Let's select this one, for example. Click on it and then click on Insert. And here you can change the transparency of your background, the offsets, and here you can add artistic effects, or you can edit picture corrections and picture colors. Go back here, and once you're happy with your background, you can click Apply to All again to apply the background to all of the slides. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!